My name's Gene Birch and I'm 72 years old. I couldn't run without a sharp pain. So it took a lot of Advil to play tennis and to go hiking and things like that. So I didn't want to not be able to hike or run or play tennis. So I had my surgery done here at the Frankfort Regional Medical Center, and Dr. Dobner was my surgeon. The reason I chose Frankfort Regional Medical Center was because I really wanted to pick somebody that had done a lot of knee surgeries, and he's done thousands of them. Plus the fact that it's here in Frankfort, so it's a 10-minute drive from my house back to home and not driving all the way to Lexington back or all the way to Louisville. It was really nice to be able to come to our local hospital and be treated right. I mean, I can't even see the scar. It was amazing. I can actually do all the things that I wanted to do. I can run without pain. I can go on hiking trips. I just finished a photography trip camping out in Havasu Falls, and we had to do a 2-mile hike just to get to the campground. So it definitely was it's a lot better afterwards, for sure.